My name is John. Today we're going to talk about the safe operation of an E35 mini excavator. When getting into an excavator, make sure you have 3 points of contact. This machine is equipped with AC, heat, radio, lights, and all the equipment that you'll need to get the job done. Once in machine, lower the safety lock and fasten your seatbelt. This machine, in order to start, turn the knob to the start position, enter your code, and start. Your right joystick controls your bucket and your dipper stick. Your left joystick controls your twist and your arm. To drive forward, push controls forward. To drive back, pull controls back. Turn left, turn right. This stick controls your dozer blade, down, up. When dismounting, be sure to continue to have 3 points of contact. My name's John, thanks for watching. Any questions, contact us at any one of our 7 mid-state locations.